All right. I had a great conversation with a coaching client the other day. She said, this is a maintainer. I usually do take on clients that are maintainers that maybe are still struggling with emotional eating, struggling to find how to maintain their weight without it being a big job. And so she's been working with me, and what we've really unearthed is that she has a lot of screw it days, and it's mostly emotionally eating driven. And she said to me one day, she said, you know, Heather, I made a rookie mistake. And I said, what? A rookie mistake? No, there are no rookie mistakes in this. What? I have been working on my weight loss journey and maintenance journey since 2006. I still brush up on the basics. I can get sloppy with things. We're human. That's what we do. That's why at your job you probably have training things that you have to go to get better at your job, because the longer you do things, that's why we have driving tests for people as they are been driving for a long time. You would think, well, why do they need it? They're driving now. It doesn't mean you're doing the best, and it doesn't mean you remember all the rules, and it doesn't mean that you're really giving attention to those rookie things, right? And so what we want to keep in mind is the longer we do things, the more we look for shortcuts, the more we look for ways to avoid paying a lot of attention to things, quite honestly, because it saves brain power, right? If I don't spend a whole lot of time thinking about this and I just automate everything, then ultimately I get to focus more on other things. And that is good. That is good for a lot. But periodically, those rookie mistakes, the weighing and measuring of food, tracking everything, paying attention to portion sizes, and am I getting my fruits and vegetables, and all that good business. Am I maybe not overdoing fun foods and treats? Those things might seem like rookie things to do, but it doesn't mean we always do it the right way. So I want to encourage us not to think in terms of rookie mistakes or beginner mistakes. I want us to think about, you're going to want to improve on this consistently. It's never a one and done. The sooner we can all get that, the easier this is. Because then it's not about you doing it one time, getting it. And I see this a lot of times, people are like, oh yeah, I know that. Well, knowing it and practicing it effectively, two totally different things. So be cautious with that. Don't feel like you have to have the rookie things down all the time. There's many times in my journey that I have intentionally focused on rookie things, beginner things, with a beginner's mind. Because I know the longer I do it, the less attention to detail I pay. And that's just human behavior. That's human nature. So don't beat yourself up for it. So today, maybe ask yourself, am I paying attention to those beginner things? Am I weighing and measuring all my food? Am I tracking everything I eat? Or maybe am I glossing over some of that stuff because it feels so simple, feels so beginnerish that I don't want to bother? Well, the very nature that you're doing that, and those are some of your most powerful tools, that might be where you want to focus your attention and efforts. All right, guys, so say it with me. There are no rookie mistakes. We're going to consistently be working on those things and needing to brush up on them over time, and to just kind of embrace that. All right, you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe, share my channel, and let me know how I can better help you.